Hi, welcome to Nuke's Kitchen. This is Nuke's husband Joe. Today we're going to make deep fried smelt. What we've got here are smelt that were already cleaned, all ready to be cooked, and I'm using some Louisiana fry mix. Comes in a bag like this, and you could just add your own spices. So I'm going to start by adding some garlic powder. And some salt and some black pepper. Stir the spices into the mix, and then we just add the fish. Try to get them evenly coated, and then they'll be ready to pop into the oil.
Why do you like smelts?
Well, really, it comes from our visits to the Minnesota State Fair. When we go to the food building, one of the things that I like to get are the fried smelt. And so when I saw that they were available, all cleaned and ready to be cooked at the grocery store, I thought I'd buy a bag and give it a try myself.
What do you eat it with?
You can have these really with anything. It can be sort of an appetizer, or you could be your whole meal. Um, Sometimes people like to put tartar sauce on them or hot sauce. Either tastes really good. Smelt are not a heavy flavored fish at all. Kind of light tasting, and the spices that you add will really enhance the flavor of the smelt. The oil's ready. Now it's time to add the fish. I'm trying to keep them separated because I don't want them to clump up. The smelt look like they're cooking pretty quickly, and so they get crispy pretty fast. Stir them around just to make sure that they don't get all stuck together. Our local Asian store occasionally makes fried smelt, and when they do, we usually get some. Um, they really are a fun snack and to enjoy with the beer and or wine, whatever. Um, it's a fun afternoon snack to enjoy. Our kids aren't really big fans of fried fish, but Nuke and I really do enjoy them, and that's why we always get them if they're available at the local Asian grocery store. But this time, we're going to try making them ourselves.
So basically, this is the first time you are doing this, correct?
It is correct.
I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Look at it, it's golden brown.
Okay, now it's time to give these fish a taste. Mmm, perfect. But I had such a good advisor, I can't expect less. Now, I will probably dip them in some hot sauce. Like this is an Italian hot, hot sauce. And this is classic sriracha hot sauce. You could also use ketchup or cocktail sauce or tartar sauce. Any of the above would be good with this. One thing left to do. Cheers. If you like this video and would like to maybe see me cook some more, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much for watching.